All right, so let's move on to games. Let's start from let's try verbs 3. Okay, let's start. Malia, what's that? What is the girl doing? What is the woman doing? They, he, or she?
She.
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 She is.
She is
Is.
opening, kicking, or reading?
Open.
Opening. She
Opening.
is opening a book, a bottle, or a bag? Malia?